Time for another review for you. Once again we've got some tools that have been sent to us by Hysterex agents. This time they're from RPToolz and they are leaf making punches. If you haven't guessed already, they're designed to punch miniature leaves out of the real thing. We've reviewed RPToolz products before. They make a variety of specialist model making tools and they're all of excellent quality. So it'll be interesting to see what these innovative and exciting products are like. What we'll do is we'll take a look at these different references and see the quality of the tools, how they work and what you can do with them. There's been 4 that we've received and here they are. RP oak, 4 sizes of oak leaf in that reference. There's birch, again they all have 4 sizes. This is lime and maple. We'll open one to take a look at the construction and then we'll use them all on different pieces of leaves that we've selected. Taking the oak tool, we couldn't have a closer look. It's a bit like a hole punch really. You can see there's a slot there to insert the leaves. Got a button on the top and as you press it punches through. You can see it there. For diorama builders it should be very, very easy. At the time of making this film there's plenty of leaves available. Different colours that appealed to us. This is an oak leaf press, but we'll try it with this leaf. There's plenty of space to put it in. And there you go. You can see just how effective that is. There's the cutout. We'll do one more. We'll put it down this time. There we go. I'm going to pick some other colours. This is green. See instantly how you get different pleasing colours, and conceivably you could also use paper. By having so many different sizes you quickly build up a collection of leaves. It really is such a simple concept. The advantage of all these different sizes is of course you can use them for different scales, and you could just select the ones you wanted out of these. We've tried out the oak, let's try out the others. We'll start off with birch. It's a more rounded type leaf. Very effective. You can attach these just using water-based glue. Again, this is the birch. There's a close-up of the leaf profile for the birch. Next up, lime. You can actually see underneath whether you're correctly positioned. There we are. That's good. And last up, maple. These punches seem very well constructed, they're easy to use, they've got a nice profile and a good shape. You might want to decide whether the bigger leaves are appropriate for your scale, but it is good to have different sized leaves depending on which scale you're working in. What you're probably all wondering is how do these look on a diorama. Here's the diorama in question. It's just a little dugout for this Pack 40. It's a diorama we've featured in previous films. We're going to punch out a lot more of these leaves and add them to the diorama. We're going to fix them along here. The glue in question is Speed Bond. I'm just gently positioning it with white glue. So what you're doing And that should be enough to hold it in place. That just looks so realistic. We hope you've enjoyed this film. That's an excellent idea from RPToolz and available now from Hysterex Agents. Thanks for watching and bye.
Subscribe for our latest videos.